guess I'm just a play date to you.
Up in your bedroom and there's nothing left to say. When I try to talk, you're always playing boy.